Hi folks, I'm Steve Zammit and I want to introduce you to a new project with MDC Campers and Caravans called MDC Masterclass. Over many years, our staff have garnered great experience in towing caravans and campers and camping in general. Plus, with all our friends on Facebook, we've accumulated a great deal of knowledge through you, our customer. The idea is to bring it all together in this series of videos to help campers that are new to the camper trailer game and new to towing in general. So tag along, watch us on Facebook and check out the webpage as this series of videos is presented for you to watch. Share them with your friends and pass the word around because it's going to be the cutting edge of camper trailer and caravan information. Follow us on Facebook, check out the website, but most importantly, if you've got a great caravan or camper hack that you think everyone should know about, send it in to us. We'll produce it in a video and share it with everyone else. So together, we can help everyone escape with confidence.